The Cube Control's F-Core has always stood out to me as one of the most beautiful sim racing wheels on the market. And now, with the EVO upgrade, it's taken things to a whole new level. Today I'm sharing my deep dive into this wheel. What's new, how it feels, how it compares to the original F-Core, and why it might just be my all-time favorite. What first catches your eye with the F-Core EVO is its authenticity. This wheel doesn't try to be flashy. There are no distracting RGB LEDs. And honestly, I love that. It's all about a clean, elegant, purposeful design. The EVO refines an already strong visual identity. The new all-black buttons give the wheel a much sleeker, more professional look. Compared to the original F-Core, it feels even more cohesive and stylish. And let's be honest, in a world where a lot of sim racing gear tries to outshine each other with lights and gimmicks, the F-Core EVO stands out by doing the opposite. It's understated, it's confident, and it's absolutely beautiful. When you set it up on your rig, it immediately gives you that wheel car vibe, making you want to jump right into a race. It shows that Cube Controls isn't just trying to impress at first glance. They are focused on long-term satisfaction. A wheel that looks great today and still feels like a smart design choice years down the line. Now let's dive into the build quality. The F-Core EVO retains that familiar 290mm butterfly shape, combined with a lightweight but rock-solid aluminum back case and a 4mm carbon fiber front plate. It's light, it's sturdy, and it feels premium the moment you lay your hands on it. The grips, made from anatomical rubber, feel fantastic. Compared to the original F-Core, they are slightly smoother. But still, the grip is fantastic, and the comfort level absolutely top notch. And I think that's one of the biggest differentiators here. This wheel is made for people who really use their sim gear, not just for show. You can grind out lap after lap and still feel like you just started. It's a testament to the thought and detail that went into every curve and contour of this design. But the real magic of the EVO lies in its smart upgrades. The plastic knobs of the original F-Core have been replaced with beautiful aluminum ones, just like those found on the CSX3. Shifters, you have now two types depending on your style. Formula shifters in blue or black, using the same switches as the flagship CSX3. GT shifters in red or black, identical to those used on the AMG GT sim wheel. These new shifters aren't just cosmetic upgrades, they are far more adjustable and offer a much more satisfying click. You're not just pressing buttons, you're interacting with the car. Aesthetic customization is also improved. You can choose different color accents as stickers. Although, fair note, the stickers are still the old ones and don't fit perfectly with the larger new aluminum knobs. That's a small miss in an otherwise well executed refresh. So, how does it feel behind the wheel? I've been racing daily with the EVO for a couple of weeks now, and it's been absolutely joy. The driving experience is very familiar if you use the original F-Core. Same excellent balance, same fantastic hand positioning, same responsiveness. However, there's a subtle improvement. The smoother grips feel even better during longer sessions, and the upgraded shifters make every gear change a bit more tactile and satisfying. And while the feel is mostly the same, it's the details that make the EVO shine. The slightly more polished surfaces, the improved build, and the mechanical confidence of the shifters, it all adds up. It's the kind of wheel that disappears in your hands, leaving you fully immersed in the drive. Nothing feels out of place and nothing feels distracting. Just pure focus on the race ahead. And that's what a great sim racing wheel should do. So, where does that leave us? The F-Core EVO perfects an already outstanding package. You get top gear ergonomics, premium materials and Italian craftsmanship, a stunning, understated look, and genuine refinements that make a real-world difference. Sure, it costs a little bit more, about 120 to 140 euros extra, and the old sticker set could use an update. But honestly, those are tiny details compared to the overall experience you get here. The EVO isn't just an upgrade, it's an evolution of one of the best sim racing wheels ever made. And for me personally, the Cube Controls F-Core EVO is now officially one of my all-time favorites. I've tried out a lot of wheels, and few strike that perfect balance between premium build, serious functionality and a timeless design. So if you're looking for a wheel that's about pure racing feel, no distractions, no gimmicks, just the perfect connection between you and the car, then the F-Core EVO is the one.